Last year I uploaded several videos showing how I made punch cards for my Passap knitting machine. Today I will show you a website where you can easily generate and print out punch cards, and at the end of the video I will share one tip for punching holes without the need for expensive machinery. This site was sent to me by Mike, so I decided to make a video about it. I will leave the links in the description. He sent me some brand new punch cards as a gift, but I haven't used them yet because I'm still testing the machine and I don't want to ruin them. I hope that very soon I would use them for some great projects. Thank you very much, Mike. This is Margarita Fischer's blog. You can scroll down to find the link to the generator and the text files for all Deco punch cards. She has uploaded them to her Google Drive and they are free to download. This is what punch card 19 looks like. Now let's open the generator and try to make this punch card. Scroll down and click on Choose File to upload the desired punch card. Now click on the drop-down menu and select your machine. My machine is Passap, so I will select it. At first, leave the vertical repeat slider to 1. If you can't open the file, click on Convert to PNG box. Finally, click on Upload. The card will go into your download folder. As you can see, the card is too short and you won't be able to connect it into a loop. So you can try to set the vertical repeat slider to 2. Then click on Upload and open the card to see it. Press the right mouse button and go to Print. To prevent scaling, you need to set the orientation to Landscape. As you can see, the card is split and I won't be able to use it. In this case, I can use the single repeat 1, print 2 copies of it, then connect both cards in a loop. Now let's try to make another card. I'm browsing through the Deco catalog. Let's try to make this elephant. The card number is 123. It's not a continuous pattern, so set the vertical repeat to 1. Now click on Upload and check what the card will look like. We will be able to print it on a single sheet of paper. Let's try to make another one. This fish looks cute. The card number is 151. Find it in the list and click on Open. Make sure the vertical repeat is set to 1 and click on Upload. That's our card. As you can see, we won't be able to print the whole card on a single sheet of paper. So I will show you another way to get through this. Make a copy of the card's text file. Now rename both files in a way that you can see which one will be the first and which one will be the second half of the card. Open the first file, scroll to the bottom and make a selection of the lower half of the text. Press Ctrl and X to cut the selection. Now click on File and save the document. Open the second file and press Ctrl and A to select all of the text, then press Ctrl and V to paste the second part of the card. Save the document and close it. Now go to the generator and upload the first half of the card. Set the vertical repeat to 1 and click on Upload. This is the first half of the card. Now go back to the generator page and upload the second half of the card. This is the second half of the card. We have both halves of the card ready and we can try to print them. As you can see, the first half of the card fits perfectly on the sheet. We can print both halves and connect them later. You can also use this generator to make custom punch cards. I will make one of the motifs from the Passap P6000's manual. You need to open a notepad and translate the card into text. Type hyphen for each white square and the letter X for each black one. It's a very easy task. I got inspired by Margarita Fischer, so under this video you will find a link with text files for the motifs given in the E6000 book made by me. Not all of them will work with the Deco device, but they may be easily redone. By the way, very soon I will upload several videos in which I am using some custom punch cards. After you write the text, save the file and upload it to the generator. Make sure you have selected the right machine from the list and click on Upload. This is only one repeat of the card. You can experiment to see how many repetitions you can fit on a single sheet, or use only one repetition and make a small punch card. I will print one small card first, then a bigger one for a future video. This is what the small card looks like. Make a habit to mark the top part of the card. As you can see, the image is different on both sides, and if you are using the small card several times one after another, you may insert it the wrong way into the reader and mess up the pattern. And now I will share my tip for punching the holes without having a special punch. In my last video I showed you that I am using a leather punch to make the holes. But I didn't show you the whole process. You need to roll the card up, then slide the punch and start making holes. After you punch all the holes in a row, you can unroll the card slightly and continue punching the next row. Then you need to roll the card the other way to straighten it. I hope this video was helpful. Tell me how you are making the punch cards for your Passap. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.